So good morning students, I'm Acharya Vishvendra and today I'm going to discuss NCERT line to line question. So let's begin with question number 65. So it says that a gold leaf electroscope consists of first is vertical metal rod, second is box, third is two thin gold leaves and fourth is all. So all will be correct over here. So fourth option will be correct. Next is in a gold leaf electroscope, the leaves are attached to top, bottom, both or none. So these are attached to the bottom. So second option is correct over here. Next is when a charged object touches the metal knob at the top, the gold leaf electroscope, then gold leaves. Obviously there will be a transfer of charge as shown over here. So like charges will repel each other, so certainly they will diverge. So second option will be correct over here. So on 67 there will be second question and second option will be correct. Next is in the above question, degree of divergence is a measure of, assuming the constant mass. So obviously more charge, more will be the degree of divergence. So it's a measure of the charge. So first option is correct over here. Now here is a pictorial diagram of gold leaf electroscope and certain point are asked. So the first question is, figure shows a gold leaf electroscope 1, 2 and 3 represent. So 1 here corresponds to the metal knob, second corresponds to the glass window and third corresponds to the rubber. So second option will be correct over here. Next is question number 70. It says that in the above question 4 and 5 represents. So 4 is this. So 4 represents the gold leaves and 5 itself represent the metal rod. So here question option number 2 is correct. The next we have a question on that, question number 71, and it's like this: a metal knob is given to you and a metal rod is given and a rod is brought near this rod which has a positive charge. Now the question is that if the rod is made to touch the metal knob, then what will happen? So the first option is metal rod will acquire positive charge. So that is correct because it will acquire positive charge on touching. So first one is correct over here. Next is gold leaves will acquire positive charge. Obviously charge will get transferred from here to the gold leaves. So certainly the gold leaves will also acquire the positive charge and hence they will diverge and they will get the positive charge. Next is electrons will leave gold leaves. Obviously if there is a positive charge on gold leaves, so that means electrons have left the gold leaves. So all of these are correct, hence fourth option will be correct. Next is in the above question, if the rod has a negative charge, then so obviously metal knob will acquire negative charge, similarly metal rod will acquire negative charge and gold leaves will diverge because charges is negative in this case. So here also all the options are correct. So fourth option will be correct over here. Next is here shows the question number 73, sorry. So it is that figure shows the schematic diagram. The schematic diagram of a simple electroscope 1, 2, 3 represents. So here is the diagram. So 1 here represent the aluminum knob, 2 represent the aluminum foil and 3 represent the bottle. So here also the first option will be correct. 1 represent aluminum knob, 2 represent aluminum foil and 3rd represent the bottle. Let's now begin with question number 74, which says that in a simple electroscope a paper scale can be used to. तो जो एक can be used to, first is measure separation of leaves, Second is measure length of bottle. Third is measure height of the bottle. So here it's used to measure the separation of leaves as per the standard procedure. Now is question number 75. It is that if a white paper is ironed and made into two halves by folding, then these halves will show. So obviously they will get charge, and charge will be of same nature, so they will show repulsion. The second option is correct over here. Next is the above experiment shows that paper has acquired charge on ironing or paper has lost charge on ironing. So this experiment shows that paper has acquired charge on ironing. Next is the effect taking place in a leaf electroscope is electrostatic attraction, repulsion, or both. So in a gold leaf electroscope, leaves diverges, so because of the electrostatic repulsion. So second option is correct over here, which is electrostatic repulsion. Next is on charging the curtain rod by touching the ball end with an electrified body, charge is transferred to curtain rod or charge is transferred to the aluminum foil. So here both the options are correct, hence third will be correct over here. Next is in the above question, both the halves of the foil gets similar charges, hence repulsion. So first is correct over here. So for question number 79, first option is correct. Next is question number 80. All matter is made up of. So all matter is made up of atoms or molecules. So third option will be correct over here. Next is normally the materials are electrically. So we know that normally materials are electrically neutral. So third option will be correct over here. Next is normally material do not contain charges. Their charges are exactly balanced. So the correct option is both are correct, but generally we can say that do not contain net charges. That will be the better explanation. So we can say that generally atoms are neutral, or a substance is generally neutral, so they do not contain net charges, or the charges are exactly balanced. So third will be correct over here. Next is which of the following are electromagnetic forces? First option is forces that hold the molecules together, that is intermolecular forces. Second is forces that hold the atoms together, interatomic forces. Next is adhesive forces of glue, surface tension, and all of these. So all of these are electromagnetic in nature. So fourth is correct over here. Next is question number 84. So which says that choose the correct statement. So first is electric force is all pervasive. Next is electric force encompasses each and every field associated with our life. Third is both, and fourth is none. So both are correct, because in general life things are dominated by the electrical forces. Magnetic forces are also there, but they are very little as compared to the electric forces. So if dominance is concerned, it can be said that electrical forces dominates. Next is question number 85. It says that to electrify a neutral body, first is we need to add one kind of charges, we need to remove one kind of charges. So it's possible by both of the charges. So third is correct over here. So third one will be correct. Next is when we say that a body is charged, we refer to, so obviously we refer to either excess of charge or the deficiency of the charge. So both options are correct over here. So third will be correct as shown over here. Next is in solids, the charges which are transferred from one body to another. So obviously they are the loosely bounded electrons. So first is correct over here. So in this way you have seen that we are covering questions from each line of NCERT, and the purpose behind developing these videos is to make sure that you don't need to get tensed or stressed because of the language of NCERT, because we have developed questions from each and every possible line of NCERT, and you can master the entire chapter within a few hours. So it's just an optimization tool for you, and if you have any doubt, I don't think there is any doubt in it, because the questions are simply from the NCERT. So you can refer to the NCERT books. It is a line-to-line solution, or you can ask in the comment section, but we also make sure that there is no need of any doubt. But if further you are having any doubt, you can ask in the doubt section. Thank you and have a nice day.